So I'm making a little extra board here, and I need this one for this one. I thought I would put them on the equal side here, the same length. So I need to drill them out, and I do that by, we got some here. Focus. Well, I drilled it out with a drill. I saw it out with a jigsaw. So I'm gonna do this one now and this one, and I just go like around them, and they don't even seem to be glued. So then you get some threads, and then drill them down, and you got some nice attachment points. Gotta watch out so don't hit anything else, but I'll go around it. Got a little loose, yes. There we have it. So I'm drilling some new holes for this one, but I have to watch out so I don't go through. And I'm using a 10mm drill, and I think that is pretty much how deep I want to go. Can't risk it anymore. So time to grind it down. I'm gonna oil this one, probably use linseed oil. You can see it's almost pink color from the earlier resin they have added to the veneer here. You can see it's particle board in the middle, and then a very, very thin layer of this veneer or laminate or whatever it is. On the sides it's thicker. There you have at least some millimeters, but you can see hardly anything to protect it. So anyway, I'm gonna oil it and then probably use linseed oil paint, white one. So now I have oiled them with boiled linseed oil, and then I've just dried them off the excess. First I painted them 1 hour, let it dry 1 hour, and then wipe off the excess to get rid of bubbles. Check out my other videos when I use this linseed oil. And of course, as everyone says, you have to make sure to be careful when disposing this one. I put them in a jar with water so they won't catch fire. My thinking was to use this aluminium sheet that I got from a computer that I've thrown away, and then you can put some hot stuff here and so on. And then we have the shelf here. You can put water or whatever. I might put that onto that one. So next step is making room for this shelf that I've cut off. It's an original IKEA Effektiv, and I made it fit to this cabinet. So I want to be able to use this to tighten it, so I need some room here. I don't like when it's not room, so I made a bit extra. Of course I should have done this at first and then painted and so on, but you live and you learn. So we got some scratches here from the jigsaw. I have to paint and sand it down and fix. Yeah, so that's next steps completed. So it has been painted with linseed oil white. First I put boiled linseed oil on it, and then linseed oil paint, whitish, sort of mattish. It's hand painted with a brush. So here I've just mounted it on a wine bottle holder actually. So put a book there, and yep. So I'm gonna paint the underside, I'm gonna try out some different paints on this shelf, and I'm gonna put this acrylic based, water based paint. It's window paint from Hardhead. It's white, and it's yeah, it's supposed to be for outdoor use, so I think that is good. I poured up some into this cup, so it dries fast, but it hardly smells anything. So just gonna paint it the underside, and then put another paint on the top, and we can compare them after a couple of years. I always find that interesting. You can put water-based acrylics on top of oil paint, but you can't do it the other way around, or it won't last. But water-based on top of oil-based is okay. Even it's better if you scrub it up. But I haven't done that now, and it will probably work anyway. Even this is on the underside, so you won't hardly see it. Okay, I'll get back to you in the next step. This is the side where I cut it before. So here we are, still drying, but it's surface dry, and it's a bit shiny, if you can see. So this will be good. It's a sort of plastic surface, and it sits there. Yeah. So here you see the shiny look. This is how it looks. It becomes plastic. It doesn't stick to you see? It doesn't stick to plastic. This is sort of a plastic. Polyurethane plastic.